Scott Sivils and Sam Keasler here reporting from Mississippi County, Arkansas. We're a few miles northeast of Wilson, Arkansas, right along the banks of Mississippi River. We were here back in the spring. We're on the farm of Collie Lowrance and Bill Joe Denton. Bill Joe's the grower. Bill Joe applied 8 ounces of carbon boost at planting on his corn. We saw a significant, looked like a significant yield increase. We monitored it throughout the year, and harvest season is upon us. It's August 23rd, 2010. The combines are rolling, the grain trucks are rolling. So we're about to see what 8 ounces of carbon boost will do on this Arkansas corn.
So the load average was 173, 171 for the untreated. So now we're going in the treated section. So we're going back between 180 and 200, and untreated was right around 171.
I'm thinking average a little bit more than what you think.
Sure.
Because whenever I turned around on the end, it's still recording, but I'm not cutting anything.
Right.
So 182 average.
182 average, and another one was 171.
171.
That's 11 bushels per acre.